Hey guys, this is my Yaris Verso. I figured I would make a video on it since right now it's still stock-ish anyway. I'm the second owner. First owner, actually had it for 20 years, and the only thing that they changed is the little, I assume it's a navigation bracket of some kind, and the armrest. That I intend to remove. That I'm actually still really happy with. It's one of the more luxurious editions, which is why it comes with rims. It's also, interestingly, the version with, if I can actually open the lid, with a 1.5 in it. And here it is, in all its Toyota glory. It's actually a car that I really like in terms of appearances, but probably that's just me with my questionable taste. But if I'm honest, I just really enjoy it, which is why I figured I would make this video, since there really isn't too much information when trying to look it up. It's a car that is very, It's generally owned by a lot of older people, and they don't really make too many YouTube videos. So when trying to find anything online, it's actually quite hard to do so. So here it is. As you can see, if it didn't close by itself, as you can see, loads of space. Honestly, the main selling point. It's not actually a two-person vehicle, for those wondering, because if you open the latches beneath, there are actually seats underneath, and you can just pop them out, and then it's a 5-seater, as it should be. So yeah, it's really not too special, but it's mine, and I enjoy it. I hope you enjoy it as well, even though the video quality is very questionable. But it's, it's basically still stock. I'm not sure whether it will remain as such, because there are some quality of life things that I want to improve. But, yeah, here it is.